The dark waters are still. A sea turtle glides effortlessly, its flippers slicing through the ocean like a bird in flight. But something lurks beneath, a shadow, a presence. Then, sudden chaos. A massive striped predator lunges upward, jaws widening. In a single brutal moment, the turtle disappears, snapped up in the vice-like grip of a tiger shark. This is no mindless killer. It's an opportunist, a relentless hunter, and one of the ocean's most feared predators. But what makes the tiger shark such a dominant force in marine ecosystems? Let's find out. Hunting strategies. The tiger shark is a master of opportunistic predation. Unlike other sharks that specialize in a single hunting method, the tiger shark adapts based on its environment and available prey. It is known for its slow, deliberate approach, circling its target multiple times before committing to an attack. Unlike the breakneck ambush style of the great white shark, the tiger shark relies on patience, assessing its prey carefully before lunging in with a devastating bite. This calculated hunting method reduces wasted energy while maximizing efficiency. One of its most fascinating techniques is the bump and bite strategy. Instead of immediately striking, the tiger shark first nudges its potential prey with its snout, gauging the reaction before committing to a lethal attack. This behavior helps it distinguish between edible prey and unfamiliar or potentially harmful objects. Their specialized electroreceptors, located around their snout, detect the faintest bioelectric signals emitted by struggling fish or concealed prey. This heightened sensory perception allows them to locate and track even the most well-hidden prey, making them highly effective nocturnal hunters, capable of detecting movement in complete darkness or murky waters. Perhaps the most unorthodox hunting behavior occurs near the surface. Tiger sharks have been seen breaching, launching themselves out of the water to snatch low-flying birds or prey clinging to floating debris. This unexpected aerial attack is rare but highlights the sheer versatility of this apex predator. It also underscores their adaptability, an essential trait that makes them one of the ocean's most formidable hunters. Physical strengths. Tiger sharks grow up to 14 feet in length and can weigh as much as 1,900 pounds, making them one of the largest predatory sharks in the ocean. Their robust, torpedo-shaped bodies allow them to move through the water with ease, while their broad heads house powerful jaw muscles capable of inflicting devastating bites. Unlike other sharks, they possess an exceptionally thick skin, offering them protection against rival sharks and even human encounters. While not the fastest, tiger sharks reach speeds of 20 miles per hour. Their long, muscular tails provide sudden bursts of acceleration, crucial for ambushing prey. This short-range power compensates for their slower cruising speeds. This energy-efficient swimming method allows them to cover great distances while remaining in peak hunting condition for prolonged periods. The real weapon, however, is in their jaws. With a bite force of over 3,000 psi, tiger sharks can easily crack turtle shells, bones, and even metal. There have been cases of them biting through license plates and oil drums. Their serrated, recurved teeth are designed for slicing through flesh with precision, allowing them to consume prey larger than themselves. This unmatched biting capability cements their position as one of the ocean's most formidable predators. Social structure. Unlike great whites, which are mostly solitary, tiger sharks display loose social behaviors, particularly in feeding areas where multiple individuals may gather. While not forming true social bonds, these sharks will tolerate one another's presence when food is abundant. Larger individuals often dominate feeding zones, asserting control over smaller sharks through subtle body movements and positioning rather than outright aggression. Communication among tiger sharks is largely nonverbal. They rely on body language, including slow circling, which can signal curiosity or territorial claims. More rapid movements, such as darting or tail flicking, can indicate irritation or an impending attack. These interactions prevent unnecessary conflicts and help maintain order among multiple sharks. Despite these occasional gatherings, tiger sharks remain largely independent hunters, preferring to roam vast oceanic territories alone. This solitary nature allows them to efficiently cover large distances in search of food while avoiding direct competition with one another. Habitat and range. Tiger sharks are global wanderers found in tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide. They thrive in coastal waters, coral reefs, and open ocean, but also venture into murky estuaries and river mouths where few sharks dare to go. This adaptability allows them to inhabit a wide variety of marine environments, from the warm Caribbean waters to the deep Pacific Ocean. Unlike some sharks that stick to specific migration routes, tiger sharks are unpredictable. Tagged individuals have traveled thousands of miles, crossing ocean basins in search of food. Their migratory nature means they often appear in unexpected locations, making it difficult for researchers to track their movements consistently. Scientists have found that some tiger sharks travel vast distances between feeding seasons, showing a nomadic lifestyle that allows them to explore new hunting grounds. They are also known for their ability to survive in varying salinity levels, even venturing into brackish water where few large sharks would thrive. This adaptability gives them access to a wide range of prey and makes them one of the most versatile hunters in the ocean. Unlike most sharks, tiger sharks are capable of diving to extreme depths, sometimes reaching over 1,000 feet below the surface in search of food. We've explored the tiger shark's diverse diet, but did you know they have a unique way of keeping their stomachs clean? Tiger sharks can perform gastric eversion, turning their stomachs inside out to expel indigestible items like toxic sea snakes, bones, and man-made debris. This incredible ability not only prevents blockages, but also serves as a defense mechanism, allowing them to rid themselves of harmful prey and avoid potential poisoning. What other secrets does this formidable hunter hold? Let's find out. Diet and feeding habits. Tiger sharks have one of the most diverse diets of any shark species, consuming sea turtles, fish, birds, rays, crustaceans, and marine mammals. Their powerful jaws and serrated teeth allow them to tackle large, hard-shelled prey, giving them access to food sources that many other predators struggle to exploit. Unlike some sharks that specialize in specific prey, tiger sharks take advantage of whatever is available, making them one of the most adaptable hunters in the ocean. Unlike other apex predators that rely solely on active hunting, tiger sharks scavenge as much as they hunt. They are often seen feeding on whale carcasses, discarded fish from boats, and even dead seabirds floating on the surface. This scavenging behavior allows them to sustain themselves, even when live prey is scarce, making them key players in ocean ecosystems by helping recycle nutrients back into the food chain. Tiger sharks have an exceptionally acidic digestive system, allowing them to break down even the toughest prey and extract maximum nutrients. This adaptability helps them survive in environments where food availability fluctuates. Known as the garbage cans of the sea, they consume everything from sea turtles and dolphins to man-made debris like tires and metal scraps. Their stomachs can process even non-organic materials, ensuring nothing goes to waste in their opportunistic diet. Reproduction and life cycle. Tiger sharks have one of the longest gestation periods among sharks, lasting 14 to 16 months. This extended development ensures that pups are born fully formed and ready to survive on their own. Females give birth to live young, with litters ranging from 10 to 80 pups, making them one of the most prolific shark species. At birth, the pups are already 20 to 30 inches long and fully independent, equipped with sharp teeth and instincts that immediately guide them towards survival. Unlike many fish, tiger sharks do not provide parental care. Once born, the pups must immediately fend for themselves, seeking shelter in shallow coastal waters where they can avoid larger predators. These juvenile habitats, such as mangrove forests and coral reefs, offer protection and a steady supply of small fish and invertebrates. However, even with these advantages, survival rates remain low, as many young sharks fall prey to larger marine predators, including other tiger sharks. Their early years are the most dangerous, but those that survive grow rapidly, gaining 2.5 to 6 feet in just the first 2 years. By the time they reach 4 to 7 years of age, they are sexually mature and capable of reproducing, ensuring the continuation of their species. Tiger sharks can live up to 30 years in the wild, a lifespan that allows them to dominate their ecosystem for decades. Their ability to thrive across generations cements their role as one of the ocean's most enduring predators. Evolutionary history. Tiger sharks belong to an ancient lineage of requiem sharks, with fossil records dating back over 50 million years. These ancestors shared many traits with modern tiger sharks, including serrated teeth adapted for slicing through flesh and bone. Over time, they evolved into the powerful, opportunistic predators we see today. Their adaptability to different environments and food sources has played a major role in their long evolutionary success. Their distinctive stripes, which give them their name, are believed to have evolved as camouflage, helping juveniles blend into the dappled light of shallow waters. This natural patterning makes them less visible to predators and prey alike. As they mature, these markings gradually fade, but their evolutionary purpose remains, allowing young sharks to avoid detection from larger predators while they develop into apex hunters. Genetic studies indicate that tiger sharks are closely related to bull sharks and lemon sharks, yet they have developed a unique combination of scavenger and apex predator behaviors. This dual survival strategy, blending both hunting and opportunistic feeding, has made them one of the most versatile sharks in the ocean. Their ability to exploit multiple food sources and habitats has allowed them to persist while other species declined. Role in the ecosystem. Tiger sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems by regulating prey populations. As apex predators, they help prevent overpopulation of species such as squid, crustaceans, and fish, which in turn influences the health of seagrass beds and coral reefs. Without natural control from predators like tiger sharks, these prey populations could grow unchecked, leading to habitat destruction and ecological imbalance. They also act as scavengers, consuming dead or dying marine animals, which helps prevent the spread of disease and recycles nutrients back into the ecosystem. This natural cleanup process keeps the ocean healthier, ensuring that resources are not wasted. Their presence encourages a balanced food chain, supporting biodiversity and preventing weaker species from overrunning an environment. Tiger sharks influence the ocean in unexpected ways beyond their role as hunters. Their presence forces prey species to stay alert and constantly move, preventing any one group from overgrazing delicate ecosystems like seagrass beds. Additionally, when tiger sharks feed on large prey, the remains attract a variety of scavengers, from smaller sharks to deep-sea organisms that rely on drifting nutrients. In this way, tiger sharks act as both enforcers and providers, shaping the marine world in ways that go far beyond direct predation. Threats and conservation status. Despite their adaptability, tiger sharks face significant threats from human activity. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and bycatch have contributed to population declines in some regions. Tiger sharks are frequently caught in commercial fishing operations, particularly for their fins, liver oil, and skin, which are highly valued in some markets. Their slow reproductive rate makes it difficult for populations to recover from heavy fishing pressure. Another major threat is accidental capture in fishing gear such as long lines and gill nets. Many tiger sharks die as unintended victims of these industrial practices, reducing their numbers and disrupting local marine ecosystems. Even protected populations are at risk when migratory routes take them through heavily fished areas where regulations are poorly enforced. Conservation efforts have led to increased protections in several regions. Some countries have banned shark finning and established marine protected areas where tiger sharks can thrive. However, more work is needed to ensure the long-term survival of this species. particularly in unregulated international waters, where illegal fishing remains a serious issue. Public awareness and stronger enforcement of conservation laws will be essential in protecting tiger shark populations for future generations. Myths and cultural significance. Tiger sharks have long been a subject of fascination in mythology and folklore. In Hawaiian culture, they are seen as guardian spirits, protecting ocean travelers and guiding them safely to shore. Some legends describe them as sacred beings, capable of shape-shifting into human form, reinforcing their role as spiritual protectors in island traditions. These myths reflect a deep cultural respect for the tiger shark's power and importance in the ocean. In modern times, tiger sharks are often portrayed as dangerous man-eaters, thanks to their reputation for attacking anything that enters their territory. While they are one of the few shark species known to bite humans, these incidents are usually cases of mistaken identity, as tiger sharks rely on taste to determine if something is edible. Most encounters occur when humans unknowingly enter hunting areas where tiger sharks are searching for prey. The media has contributed to their fearsome image, often focusing on shark attacks rather than their ecological importance. However, scientific research has helped shift public perception. Many marine biologists emphasize the critical role tiger sharks play in maintaining ecological balance, highlighting their importance beyond the stereotypes of being mindless killers. As conservation efforts continue, understanding and appreciating these remarkable predators will be key to ensuring their survival in the wild. Unique and interesting facts. Tiger sharks exhibit a highly developed immune system, making them remarkably resistant to infections and diseases. Unlike many marine animals, they rarely suffer from natural illnesses, and their wounds heal quickly, even after severe injuries. Scientists believe their immune system holds potential for medical research, particularly in studying disease resistance and tissue regeneration. Another intriguing fact is their survival under extreme conditions. Unlike many large predators, tiger sharks can thrive in polluted waters, areas with low oxygen levels, and even regions affected by human activity. Their resilience allows them to persist in habitats that other marine species struggle to adapt to. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of tiger sharks is their ability to regrow lost teeth at an astonishing rate. While all sharks replace teeth throughout their lifetime, tiger sharks regenerate a full row of teeth every 2 weeks, ensuring they always have sharp, functional weapons for hunting. This rapid turnover means a tiger shark can go through tens of thousands of teeth in its lifetime, maintaining its dominance as a top predator in the ocean. The tiger shark is a perfectly engineered predator, adapted to rule the oceans. But what happens when raw power meets pure agility? Our next predator takes us back to land, where another apex hunter prowls the shadows. The leopard, a master of stealth, an expert climber, and a silent assassin of the night. Don't miss what makes this big cat one of the world's most adaptable predators.